Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing the Braun Series 9 Pro Plus Electric Shaver 9660 ccps. I looked through the internet, checked real user experiences, expert reviews, and overall performance feedback to help you decide if this is actually worth buying or not. Don't forget to hit the link below for the best price. Right from the start, this is a high-end foil shaver, and Braun claims it's their most advanced model yet. It features a 5+1 shaving element system, which basically means multiple cutting elements working together to capture and cut different types of hair in a single stroke. From what I've seen online, this is one of the biggest reasons people go for the Series 9 lineup, because it's designed to give you a very close shave without needing to go over the same area multiple times. Now, one of the standout features here is the Pro SensoAdapt technology. This system analyzes your beard density up to 300 times per second and automatically adjusts the power depending on how thick your hair is. In real-world use, this means the shaver stays smooth on lighter areas but still has enough power when dealing with dense or coarse beard sections. From user feedback, this actually makes a noticeable difference, especially for people with uneven beard growth. Another major highlight is comfort and skin protection. The ultra-thin precision blades are designed to cut very close while reducing irritation, which is something a lot of people struggle with when using electric shavers. Based on reviews I checked, this is one of the most comfortable foil shavers available, even for sensitive skin, and it works well for both dry shaving and wet shaving with foam or gel. Now let's talk about convenience, because this is where the Series 9 Pro Plus really stands out. It comes with a 6-in-1 SmartCare Center, which basically handles everything for you. It automatically cleans, lubricates, dries, and charges the shaver, so you don't have to worry about maintenance. From what I've seen online, this is one of the features people love the most because it keeps the shaver performing like new without extra effort. Build quality is also top tier. It's made in Germany with high-quality materials, and it feels premium in hand. It's also fully waterproof, so you can use it in the shower if you want, and cleaning it under running water is very easy. The battery life is solid too, typically lasting around 50 to 60 minutes on a full charge, which is more than enough for regular use. Now, after going through real user feedback online, there are a few things you should keep in mind. First, this is a premium product, so the price is definitely on the higher side. Also, while it delivers an extremely close shave for an electric razor, it still may not be as close as a traditional manual razor for some users. And the cleaning cartridges for the SmartCare Center need to be replaced over time, which adds to the long-term cost. So here's the main question: should you buy it? Based on everything I've seen across the internet, if you want one of the best electric shavers available with excellent comfort, strong performance, and very low maintenance, then yes, the Braun Series 9 Pro Plus is absolutely worth considering. It's especially great for people with sensitive skin or those who want a premium grooming experience. But if you're on a budget or you're okay with manual razors, then this might feel a bit expensive for what it offers. Overall, the Braun Series 9 Pro Plus is a flagship-level electric shaver that focuses on comfort, efficiency, and convenience. And for anyone serious about grooming, it's one of the best options you can get right now.